Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lollipops without using corn syrup. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. You will also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan, a reliable candy thermometer, and your chosen lollipop molds or parchment paper, along with the sticks. This method is straightforward and yields fantastic results. Now, let's begin cooking. Combine the 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar in your saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches precisely 295 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is vital for the perfect hard crack stage. Once your candy mixture reaches the ideal temperature, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the moment to add your desired flavor and color. Carefully stir in about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavor extract, like cherry or strawberry. Then, add a few drops of food coloring for a vibrant look. Remember to work quickly, as the hot candy will start to cool and thicken very fast. With your flavored and colored candy ready, it's time to shape your lollipops. Carefully pour the hot mixture into your prepared silicone molds or create small puddles on parchment paper. Immediately insert a lollipop stick into each one while the candy is still warm and pliable. Let them cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or until they are fully hardened. Then, gently remove your beautiful, homemade lollipops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.